Okay, hello and welcome guys to Street Photography New Year's Eve 2018 going into 2019. Very exciting. There's about a 40-degree difference compared to last year. So last year, if you saw that session, I was freezing. It was 5 below. It was super cold, and I cut it short. I wanted to head to Navy Pier for fireworks. That's the plan today. So let's head over there and let's make some photographs and celebrate with the whole city. So let's check this out. Okay, so the other challenge that I'm facing is the fact that it is raining outside a little bit. I just want to show you that they're preparing for the fireworks. There's a few people out here. I just want to show you the trucks that they got. They're going to use that to block off the street when they start fireworks. So there's going to be, there's actually a lot of fireworks like all over the place when you're down here. There's some in Navy Pier, some over here. Oh, yeah, you know you're in Chicago when you hear the horns. So there's a lot of fireworks that are going to happen. You can hear on the Riverwalk. So yeah, haven't started taking any pictures there. Like I said, I don't know if my camera is waterproof, so I'm still going to use it and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, it's drizzling out. Let's see what we got going on. So yes. Alright, so take a look down there. We see the boats and stuff. Obviously this whole Riverwalk is blocked off. Try to get some shots over in that direction. Look at this guy here. Got a light on his forehead. Alright. So obviously there's a lot of action that's going to happen over here. Which is very good. My settings are f4.0. and ISO 2000, and I'm at 1.25 for my shutter speed, so it's fast enough to capture a lot of the action. So these guys here. So look at that, it's all blocked off. Down there. I saw the boats going through, so should be fine. Alright, so see, like they use these city trucks, dump trucks, salt trucks, whatever you want to call them, and they're going to block off the streets when the fireworks are going to start. So that's what you're seeing here. You see the dump truck park. I'm actually kind of far away right now, but that's exactly what you're going to see. It stopped drizzling as much. It's kind of slow right now, which is good. It's good for my camera. We'll see what happens. We're going to keep going because I want to try to hit Navy Pier and see what goes down. Try to make some photos as I go along. Made it, but I'm changing my mind because it's really tight over here, so I think it would be better I head back to Michigan Avenue and try to capture some of the action there as opposed to over here, because it's really packed. The weather's actually pretty nice, so a lot of people here, but don't want to take a risk, so we're going to move forward and go in the other direction. Tons and tons of people heading in that direction. know I'm crazy, but I'm not that crazy. Plus, I want to be able to make sure I can catch my train. I do have to go to work tomorrow, so. It's almost time. We're like 30 minutes away now. They have blocked off both streets now, and yeah, we're just waiting for to start. Pretty cool. Got some good shots. Totally skipped on going to Navy Pier. There's way too many people. It's actually a whole lot of people than last year now. So here we are. So just waiting. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I just want to do a quick photo comparison compared to last year. Last year I took a photo right here, and this whole thing was frozen. So I'm gonna add the picture right here, and this is exactly where I took that picture. Now look at it this time. It's a big difference compared to last year. So I'm gonna put that in there right now. Alright, so that's it. Awesome time. Now I must make my way back and catch a train. It's gonna be packed, it's gonna be crazy. This whole thing was crazy. So many people. Take a look. Just take a look. The fireworks were awesome. Way better than last year. Take a look at the smoke. All the people. And there were literally fireworks all the way across all the bridges. They sealed everything off, but it was very awesome. Very awesome to see. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.